There are many scenarios about the destruction of the Earth, such as meteors hitting the Earth, the sun dying, nuclear war, etc. Today, we will bring you another scenario. After 63 million years, the Earth will be destroyed. So what happened? Before we start, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content. Scientists have calculated that the Earth's rotation is getting slower and slower, averaging less than half a second per year and 0.15 seconds per day. So our day is not a constant 24 hours anymore. The so-called 24 hours a day is also an approximation. Over the past 40 years, the Earth has slowed down by about 25 seconds, averaging 0.6 seconds per year, which also confirms the conclusion that the Moon moves away from the Earth at a rate of 3.8 centimeters per year. As the Earth's rotation slows down, the gravitational pull on the Moon gets smaller and smaller, causing the Moon to move further and further away from us. Why does the Earth rotate more and more slowly? Scientists believe that the reason is because the Earth's volume is gradually increasing due to expansion, and the Earth's radius is also gradually increasing. Through scientific research, geologists and paleontologists have discovered that, at the end of the Ordovician period, 440 million years ago, an Earth year had 412 days. 2,000 years later, during the Silurian period 420 million years ago, an Earth year was only 400 days. In the Devonian period 370 million years ago, the Earth had 398 days in a year. And in the Cretaceous period 65 million years ago, the Earth had only 376 days in a year. Now that we have 365.25 days a year, at this rate, the Earth will stop rotating in 63 million years. One Earth day will be 0, which means it won't rotate anymore. The scary thing is that the Earth's rotation speed in a year is not the same. Scientists using quartz clocks to observe the relative motion between the Sun and Earth found that the Earth rotates slowly in spring and quickly in autumn. The Earth's rotation moves at an uneven speed. When the Earth was first born, it only took 6 hours a day, meaning it rotated once every 6 hours. As the Earth slows down, our day has become 24 hours. In 63 million years, Earth's day will become 0. When the Earth stops rotating, the entire Earth will be shaken to the core, creating disturbances and faults in the ground, which will cause large-scale volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. When the Earth stops rotating, one side of the Earth will always be facing the extremely hot sun, while the other side will be in super cold darkness. At that time, a day will last 6 months and a night will also last 6 months. This will lead to disturbances in the biological rhythms of humans, animals, insects and trees, causing ecological imbalance. All the water gathered near the equator will flow toward the poles, creating a massive tsunami, not once but twice. After that disaster, the Earth will have nothing left. Sturdy high-rise buildings and sturdy structures will all be destroyed. Billions of people will lose their lives because of the terrible power of the tsunami. It's a doomsday scenario. It's really scary. That is the future Earth scenario. When the Earth stops spinning, it will be a tragedy. So we should thank the Earth, because the Earth is rotating so there is day and night, and the temperature will not be too hot or too cold, bringing life forms that exist on Earth, animals, plants, people. Let's protect this beloved Earth by living in harmony with nature and saving resources. What do you think about the end of the world scenario in 63 million years? Please leave your comments below so everyone can know. And that's the end of today's episode.